So you guys, let me show you a great way to improve your eyesight in just few days without wearing glasses. It is actually very important you learn some very natural way using a very natural ingredient to improve your bad eyesight in just few days. Okay, so the first ingredient that we are going to be making use of is cucumber. Alright, so I'm going to be cutting our cucumber into little tiny pieces. So cucumber is loaded with a lot of nutrients and is very good for the sight. It helps so very much, and it improves the skin by detoxifying your colon. You know what it is that when your colon is blocked, alright, your skin will begin to look dull and rough. But when everything is cleared, then you are going to see that your skin will begin to look evenly and beautiful. So I'm going to be keeping that aside, and then we're going to be making use of carrots. Now carrots is loaded with a lot of beta carotene, vitamin C and other natural and great ingredients that helps to improve your eyesight, and it also helps to improve your skin. Alright, so then again we're going to be making use of tomato. Now tomato is loaded with a lot of nutrients that works in improving the eyesight. It helps so very much to maintain a good sight and a clearer vision. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to cut that into pieces. And then again we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a great ingredient that helps so very much. You guys, have you actually tried drinking aloe vera, fresh aloe vera juice before? If you've actually not, then you are lacking, you are missing something, you guys. So for this particular drink, you just have to take a little of this. I personally have been drinking aloe vera a whole lot. It helps and works so very much. Okay, so just a little of this is perfect. So I'm going to be putting my aloe vera inside. You can see just a little aloe vera, and then putting in the cucumber. Then my carrots. Then the tomato. Now we're gonna be putting a little water. Alright. Okay, you guys, so this is it, and now let's sieve out the juice. Okay, you guys, so here is my drink. You guys, this would help you to improve those bad eyesight. You know, it will keep you away from using eyeglasses, and then you're going to see far. It's going to help you to improve and correct your vision. Okay, so drink this every morning for the space of 1 month, and you are definitely gonna kiss eye problem goodbye. Let me take mine, guys, first of all. Wow, this is so nice. The aloe vera in it, just like I said, I put a little, so you're gonna put just a little. The aloe vera in it is not bitter at all. Yeah, because the carrots, the sweetness of the carrots, you know, actually overshadowed the bitterness of the aloe vera, so it gives me that, you know, flat kind of taste. So it's not bitter and it's not very sweet, but it does not slap, it does not taste bad, it tastes really good, and you are definitely going to be loving it because it's going to help you to improve your eyesight, correct any eye problem, glaucoma, you know, cataract, redness of eye, short-sightedness. You guys, go give this a go. Let me take even more. This tastes so yummy, it tastes so nice, you guys. So I'll give this a try. You're gonna love the taste and you're gonna love the effectiveness of this drink. All right.